well as our YouTube channel. The bottom line, we have the resources to help you. Whether it's implementation, assistance, licensing, or optimization services, we are here to help. Help at productivecorp.com. And that is who we are. And so as I talked about, one of the ways we add value are putting on these web events, talk about products in the space, how it's relevant to you, and what is going on with that. To that end, we're going to be talking today about Sophos Cloud. The man with the plan is going to be talking about Sophos Cloud is Keith Greco, our VP of Sales and Technology, who has been working with customers for the last 15 years on hundreds, if not probably thousands, of security-related projects. He's seen the good, the bad, the ugly. He has the Clint Eastwood of IT security. Let's hand the virtual microphone over to Keith Greco. Keith?
Thanks so much. Hello, everybody, and thanks for hopping on with us today. Appreciate your time. We'll make this informative and as quick as we can. So let's talk a little bit about some of the features that are included in Sophos Cloud. I'm not sure if I heard you correctly, Todd. I was trying to shut my office door. I think you said this is down for a little over a year. Actually, this project's down for over 2 years. So really battle tested, field tested. We are using this on a lot of machines internally. I'll show you kind of some of the stuff that we're doing with it and give everybody a real good look. Lots of different, yeah. So the original cloud product's been out for 2 years, but the centralized console, has that been out for 2 years too?
Oh, no.
Yeah, you're right there. The centralized console and bringing kind of some of this stuff together is definitely the newer piece for sure. When it originally came out, it was really Windows and then Windows and Mac and then iOS and Android for the support. There's been just tons of new features and new things added along the way. So and a lot more to go as well, which is pretty interesting. Right, so Android or Linux support and then virtual support is some of the newest stuff that's been added in there. So a lot of folks out there running Ubuntu or Red Hat or whatever, they're going to be able to protect those. And if you're not up on the security news, lots of opportunities to get your Linux machine infected with malware or hacked. So putting protection on there is absolutely a requirement for sure. Let's advance on here, Todd. So in the Sophos Central, Sophos is basically bringing all of the components that they have into one console. That includes managing the endpoints, managing the servers, now bringing in your Wi-Fi, which previously was only able to be managed from the firewall console into the same console, and then bringing in the UTM or next-gen capabilities into this one login. Role-based provisioning, so if you've got folks that are only on the network side, you only want to touch on the firewall, you don't want them touching the endpoint policies or vice versa, you have some folks who want running reports but you don't want to do anything, you'll have all of those capabilities as well. And you'll be able to view all of the information that you need to see to make sure that your protection is running, see what kind of threats you're getting, figure out what end users are doing on the web protection, on the anti-spam, whatever, from one cloud-based console. And this is really where we're talking to tons and tons of folks who are loving the cloud-based products for an ease of management, especially in the modern workforce where folks are working from home, they're out on the road, they're maybe sitting at a coffee shop or some other public spot, and they're wanting to work and access data and do the stuff that they traditionally could only do at the office. Now you're able to not just get those signature updates onto that machine, you're actually able to implement policy changes. You can do whitelisting. Maybe you're blocking a website that someone needs access to. They're out of the office. That web protection is following them. You're able to put in whitelist. You're able to get real-time reports on what folks are doing. So if you have someone out there trying to cause an incident, you don't have to wait to find out about it until they get back onto the network to get those reports. You get all that stuff in real time. So working out pretty slick, I think, and very easy to set up and get rolling. And we're going to take a look at that now.
Yeah, absolutely. We will do the... What's that?
I said you put it in writing. Now we have to take a look.
Okay, we must.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's get this rolling. So I'm using Chrome here. You can take advantage of IE or Edge or Safari. Probably I don't actually have Safari installed, but Firefox is the other one that I predominantly use. They all work out pretty well. I take advantage of Password Manager for managing my passwords. That's what you see there. That's not related to Sophos at all. So I'm going to plug in my password for me. If you're interested in password management, mention your production rep, let me follow up with you after the event. Once we get into the admin console here, we're starting off right at the dashboard. You can see I've got one medium alert. It's actually telling me that my machine was offline last week. This was actually while I was doing a rebuild thanks to a network card glitch. So I've reviewed the error. I actually knew what it was when I saw it. But I can click on my machine now and start reviewing the error and figuring out what was going on. You can see I've got everything back up to speed. Now, if I were out in the field and I was calling into an admin saying I was having some problems and maybe we thought it was related to the Sophos protection, I know in this case it wasn't, but if we thought maybe it was related to the protection, we can disable that tamper protection for just this machine. The thing that I really dig is I can actually give the tamper protection password right over the phone to an end user, and then once we're done troubleshooting, we can simply generate a brand new password. So I don't actually need to permanently disable it. If I don't want to, I can simply give them a password, regenerate a new one after we're done doing whatever troubleshooting we might need to do. Most of the time, if I can get access to the box, I would be doing it myself. But with folks being all the time, not being able to come into the office, maybe they never VPN in, so they don't have VPN access or whatever, you can't control that machine physically. So it gives you a lot of moves on what you can do. Now,
so you're working with one of your employees to give them, say, try this setting, open this, close it, let's check this out, right?
Yeah, and eventually get a situation where we're blocking USB ports hot, and someone's at a customer site, I've got this big file that I need to give you, we're having issues, or they don't have a guest Wi-Fi, or that didn't work out, I need to get this via USB stick, hey, can I get a one-time exception here to plug a thumb drive in, right? We give them the tamper protection code, they're able to get that opened up, bring that thing back in. When that policy updates, it goes back into a lockdown mode, or I can push that lock out so that we're getting back to our compliant level, right? Or we can